How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add multiple photos on Snapchat story. For that, you want to open the Snapchat app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the app, make sure to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. Now you want to swipe up, then head over to the camera roll section. From here, tap and hold on any photo or video, then select multiple stories. Once you have done that, you want to tap on the blue icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on My Story option. Tap on the OK option now. Now you will have to wait for some time, and as you can see, it says Added to Story. So now you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the My Story option to view your story, and as you can see, all the multiple photos or videos have been successfully added to your story, and in this way you can add multiple photos or videos on Snapchat. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.